A Tesla Model S Plaid can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 2 seconds. Tesla's stock price could rise by more than 30% in less than 2 weeks. Tesla has been on a roll, rising for the past 8 days in a row, the company's longest winning streak since January 2021. In addition, for the first time since January, the stock rose 32%, crossing $1,000 and exceeding $1 trillion in market capitalization. Unfortunately, Tesla's winning streak came to an end on Friday, when the stock fell 0.3%, closing the week at $1,010.64. It was an incredible run, but it isn't easy to put into words. Other ultra-large cap stocks are not subject to such volatility. For example, the largest 8-day gain in either Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, or Amazon since the beginning of 2021 has been 19%. Furthermore, Tesla's run-ups do not always appear to coincide with fundamentals, which frustrates both bulls and bears. Furthermore, large gains and losses frequently indicate that the stock isn't really going anywhere. Tesla, for example, is up just 3% in the last 3 months, though that's better than the S&P 500's 8% drop. Tesla, on the other hand, moves for a reason, even if that reason isn't always obvious. If you know why the stock was falling before the move, it will be easier to understand why it is now rising. According to Future Fund Active ETF manager Gary Black, Tesla's recent trading volatility is due to the Federal Reserve. He notes that Tesla stock fell 32% from late November, when the Fed abruptly turned hawkish, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite fell about 12% and 22%, respectively. This, however, raises another issue for Tesla: inflation. That's why the Fed had no choice but to raise rates, and it's putting Tesla's and other companies' profit margins in jeopardy. Indeed, Tesla's decline coincided with a doubling in the price of a basket of metals used in lithium batteries, which added $2,500 to the cost of an average EV and forced many EV manufacturers to raise prices. In recent months, Citigroup analyst Jeff Chung has counted more than a dozen price increases from Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers, including Tesla. Since mid-March, inflationary fears have faded, and growth expectations have taken their place. Furthermore, according to New Street Research analyst Pierre Ferragu, Tesla's long-awaited German manufacturing facility opened this week to great fanfare, removing an overhang and likely contributing to the stock's rise. Tesla's first-quarter deliveries, which are expected to be announced on Saturday, April 2nd, are a bigger deal than Berlin. According to Wall Street, deliveries will total between 310,000 and 320,000 vehicles, an increase of approximately 10,000 from the previous quarter. Tesla delivered 309,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter of 2021. However, Wedbush analyst Dan Ives believes that deliveries are trending well ahead of street expectations, and that even those estimates may be too low. Rising delivery expectations are just as good as any other reason for an auto stock to rise. So all Tesla has to do now is deliver.